1, go!
Qualification 84 begins, and we have our 24-15 Wildcats for the shot in that speaker. These are 5 points during our autonomous period. Ramrods Robotics, a couple as well, 1771. I think that's their 4th. Goodness gracious, 41 points already here in the autonomous period. For those new to us today, that autonomous period is when our robots are controlled completely by pre-programming. No one is driving. That bell indicates the beginning of teleop. These robots are now being driven by human players. You can see 1771 using a unique strategy of tossing notes to the other end of the field. They can pick up a note at their source, and they have to drive past the line, the blue line, where their source is, and then they can shoot to the other end of the field to rack up notes on the other end and be able to score them quickly with their alliance mates. 1771 has taken a shot and for 5 points during amplification. You will notice that the lights light up on the speaker to indicate the amplification period. Notes scored at that point are 2 points instead of 5 points instead of 2 in the speaker. We are at 1 minute, 25 seconds in this match. Red 76, blue 31. 11:02 making magic, traversing the field. They are headed for an amplified 5 points, and they take that shot and get it. Here comes the Decatur Robotics robot, Fluffy. Fluffy's got a note on board. Fluffy shoots and scores. Right on top of that is Columbus Space, driving Lyra and a point. Shooting for the stars there, 1771. Here comes Ramrods with a shot for the Red Alliance, bringing them to 81. We're gonna see Red Alliance amplifying once again. This shot by, whoa, a little toss up here, center field. Making magic, note on board. Blue Alliance traversing the field right behind, followed by Columbus Space. 2 by Making Magic. 2 bounce out by Columbus Space. Our Decatur Robotics 4026, they've got a note in the amp. We've got both teams working quickly to cycle points. 24-15 Wildcats may be dead in the water here, center field. Look a little stuck. 11:02's got a note underneath. Will they take it on board? Both teams continuing to cycle while 1771, North Gwinnett is going to go for the trap. They get it. Human players have notes coming to the mics. We got 1 robot up on each alliance. 2 seconds left. 1 match. The final here in our unofficial 99 for Red Alliance, blue 65. The Red Alliance will get 3 points for each of those robots off the ground and an additional 5 points for the notes in the trap. Scores coming up for qualification match 84. This qualification will go to Red Alliance. Red Alliance 110, blue 70. Red Alliance and Blue Alliance taking advantage of cooperation that lowered the